This is TWiT.
Microsoft is laying off 50 journalists to replace them with artificial intelligence. I'm sorry. This has never worked well. Why doesn't Microsoft know that? I mean, everybody's tried this. Google tried it. Apple tried it. Apple ended up hiring more humans, right?
Yeah, you know, it's tough because we kind of touched on this earlier, right? We talked about this seemingly insurmountable problem of moderating thousands of tweets or thousands of posts on, you know, hundreds of thousands, millions of posts on Facebook, and, you know, trying to use algorithms to do this. And so Microsoft is going to try the same thing with their the homepage there. So, you know, I don't think it will work very well. I like to think that I'm not just biased, that that's actually sort of a reflection of the nature of the task and humans being able to sort of curate those, the stories that people see. Because, you know, it does go back to what we were talking about earlier. I think that whether it's a social platform or whether it's a news page or whatever it is, algorithms tend to amplify individual behavior. So if I watch something on Facebook, like something on Facebook, if I read a particular type of story, then algorithms tend to pick up on that and usually will promote stories like that to me because that increases my engagement and interaction on the sites, which is the purpose of the sites, to increase the time that I spend there and the information that I give them. So there is something valuable in seeing stories maybe that the algorithm wouldn't promote to me. Now, I haven't seen the inner workings of the algorithm. Maybe that will, they'll incorporate some kind of counter programming. It's like, oh, you're reading too many of these stories, we want to bring you this. Or maybe it won't, have that involved in it. But, I still like to think that the human brain is often the best arbiter and the best curator of information if you know your audience really well.
Yeah. Well, it may also be Microsoft knows better than we do that nobody read Microsoft News. It comes with every version of Windows 10, and it's also an MSN, and I think it's part of the Bing group. It's possible that they just said, yeah, no one's reading this, so we can get some robots to do it.
Just give up on it anyway.
Yeah. Save us money.
It's R&D.
Yeah, exactly.